What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a door lock that has no visible screws. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we need to paint this front door here, but we first need to remove our lock. Now if we have a look at this lock here, there's no visible screws on the outside, nothing that shows an easy way to remove it. Same thing on the inside of the door here, there's no visible screws, everything's intact. We can see here this outer cap here needs to come off. The easy way to find that out is if we have a look at the top here, you'll see there's a little gap there that's designed to be able to pry that top cap off. However, the issue with that is if we remove this cap, we've still got the handle that's going to be in the way. So the way you remove this is you take a small little screwdriver and you'll notice there's a hole there in the side. If you have a very close look there, as we rotate that around, you'll notice there's a little brass pin inside, and all you need to do is just simply press that pin in. So if I put the screwdriver inside, feel for that brass pin, which I might need to see right there, press it in, give it a little wiggle, and now we've got that handle off. So now that we've got the handle off, we can move over to removing our outer cap. So once again, use a flathead screwdriver, pry that cap off, and now we can see where the screws exactly are. So we've got two Phillips head screws here. Gonna just back these ones off nice and easy. Hold the other side to make sure it doesn't drop. Now this one here will pop out and we can take off our front side as well. So to reinstall it, we do everything in reverse. Start from the outside first, line this one here up, then we come back to this side. We've got a little notch here that needs to sit on the right side. That one can go there. We can then insert our screws. Do it by hand first, and then we'll follow through with the drill. We can put our cover back on, and we're going to try and line that little notch back where it was originally. And for the handle, you just simply line it back up and push it in. That's now locked in place. Everything's back to normal. Hopefully this video has helped you guys out. You've enjoyed it. You've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.